Hello, hello. I've got a gift for you. Yes, it is over in the Freebie Hub, and yes, that puts you on my mailing list, so you don't have to have the gift if you don't want it, not at all. But I created the Yellow Legal Pad, and I'm just giving it away if you would like it. So I do have a Freebie Hub where I change them over every now and a couple of times a year, 3-4 times a year at most, and there's a variety of things in there for GoodNotes on an iPad and also for reMarkable. When you're using PNG files on the reMarkable devices, it does matter what size it is. It is different. Templates for the reMarkable Paper Pro versus the reMarkable 2. They are different. You cannot use those interchangeably. You can, however, use the PDF files, even if they're hyperlinked, interchangeably in both documents. They fit and work really well. All right, so here's the Yellow Legal Pad. I've given you 4 different colors. So you can, so it's daylight right now and you can't really see the backlight on there. But at night, it's gonna look a little bit different, right? So that's the first color. What's happening? Hang on. Let's just, can you see can you see the 4 colors? That actually, I know it doesn't look very yellow, but it is yellow. That's the soft yellow. I'm calling it soft yellow. 1B, that's the medium yellow, that's really yellow. And this is like, woo, that was bright yellow. That was the first one that I did know when, oh, hang on a minute. That's just gonna be a bit too yellow for me, but some people might like it, so I put them all in. So in the Freebie Hub, there's the PDF and the PNG file for the Paper Pro, So it's the dimensions of the Paper Pro. All right, so you're welcome to have that. Please just hop over, and it's like a Facebook group. The portal, the Freebie Hub portal on my website, it's sort of tucked away in the back, and the functionality in there, it's like School. I don't know if any of you have heard of School, but it's a group just like that. So it's like a Facebook group. You just pop in there, there's a running feed, there's a learning tab up the top. You click on that and it takes you into the little mini vault of templates in the Freebie Hub. So yeah, 2 parts to it, the feed, the running feed, and then the section where all the templates are kept. Yeah, so you're welcome to that and anything else that's in there at the moment. I change them out and I take them in and out at different times and add new things in and stuff. So anyway, hope you enjoy the Yellow Legal Pad. Feel free to say thanks below or hi or whatever. Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.